The Nothing Phone 2 is coming sometime later this year, building on the groundwork laid by 2022's Nothing Phone 1. Details of the new phone are still pretty scarce, but everything we've heard so far suggests there are some significant improvements on the cards, price and availability. CEO Carl Pei said that the handset would launch as a more premium offering than the Phone 1, and the price rumored is a rather expensive $900, at least when converting from the alleged Euros price. The Phone 1 started at £399. Roughly $490 in the UK. As far as availability concerns, the Nothing Phone 2 will launch at an online event taking place on July 11th at 11 AM ET. You'll be able to watch it via Nothing's website. This launch date fits with the launch of the Nothing Phone 1, which was released in mid-July 2022. Rumored specs. According to a report from My Smart Price, we can expect the Nothing Phone 2 to come with a 120Hz adaptive AMOLED display, a 5000 mAh battery, 12GB of RAM, 256GB of storage and an unannounced Snapdragon 8 series SoC from Qualcomm. Some of those specs aren't hugely different from the Nothing Phone 1, which offered a choice of 8GB or 12GB of RAM, 128GB and 256GB storage options, a 4500 mAh battery and a 120Hz OLED display. While the rumors haven't divulged the Phone 2's display resolution, the switch from OLED to AMOLED should ensure much better image quality. Whether we'll see a boost from FHD to QHD is another matter entirely. More information available on website. Link is in description. Plus bonus offer, if you want to purchase a reliable hosting for your business or professional website, then please check out our given hosting link. You may get a good discount on buying. Best of luck.